fix a PC_index_mismatch BSOD error on Windows. 1. Disable Realtek HD Audio Manager from startup via Task Manager. 2. Install the latest updates. 3. Check your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Deploy a BSOD troubleshooter. 5. Uninstall or disable the display link driver via device manager. 6. Change your RAM frequency by accessing BIOS configurations. 7. Disable virtualization in BIOS. 8. Check your hardware, from RAM to disk and to CPU. 9. Remove interfering software by running your Windows in its clean boot.